Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a different video but same outfit, yes, same hair, same makeup, and it's just a different day, guys. So, I will be showing you some of the PR packages that I received during parang 2 weeks yata yun, like from last week to this week yata. Parang ganun. So, yes, it's gonna be a PR haul again, like you always see in this on my channel. I hope you guys are not getting tired of it. But yes, without further ado, let's just proceed to the unboxing.
So fucking done with all the games you play.
Package na mas malapit sa akin right now, and sasabihin ko na lang sa inyo yung brand niya. This is from the brand Sets. Bye Bye Oil and Shine. Hello Flawless. Ang cute naman ng envelope na to. Talagang dinikitan pa nila. Just for you to know that it's from them. Super cute. And ayun yata siya. So, this is from Luminous Cosmetics. So, hindi ko pa ito na-open. So, hindi ko pa nakikita yung actual niyang laman. And, i-open ko siya kasama nyo. Oh, okay. So, here it is. This individually packed beauty blotter plus translucent powder. Oh my god. That's super cool. Introducing Bye Bye Oil and Shine Sets Blood and Translucent Powder, single-dose cosmetic compact. And when you open it up, ayan siya. You can put it in your purse like that or in your pocket. Super handy nito, naglagay siya ng tatlong ganyan. And it says, absorb 7 times oil, available at CVS Pharmacy. So, beside from that paper, they sent me packages of them that has 5 cosmetic disposable compact. They sent me 2, so equal 10 wrapper in here. So, I will just put some in my giveaway. I'm planning really soon. I just need to, organize it kasi medyo nabibisi talaga ako, guys. Oh my god. Next na tayo is from Influencer. Super generous, guys. They send me a Black Opium YSL perfume. Okay, little story, guys. When I went to the NEX or the Navy Exchange last week, isa to sa mga pinapamilian kong pabango bukod dun sa Marc Jacobs. Pero I decided to just get the Marc Jacobs one because super mahali Black Opium at medyo nangihinayang ako gumastos ng ganun kalaki para sa pabango. And ayun, medyo disappointed na hindi ko siya nabili. But then, happy na rin ako kasi hindi ko siya binili dahil after my vacation, pag uwi ko, meron akong ganitong box sa mail ko. Hindi pa nga ito, nakarap pa siya ng white. So, wala ko idea na si Influencer pala kasi hindi sila nag-email sa akin this time that I'm part of their box. And if you guys are interested of joining Influencer, it's totally free. All you have to do is sign up using my link. I will put the link down in the description box so it's easier for you to just click and sign up. And ayun, makakatanggap na kayo ng mga libreng pabango, libreng makeup, high-end drugstore, and all that. So when you open it, I'm super happy with this talaga. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko to. Ayan. So, ito yung cheat sheet ko on how I'm gonna review this or and all that. So, for my eyes lang yun. And they sent me this Click and Go YSL Stylo de Perfume Click-on Pen. Ayan siya. Ito yung tsura daw niya. And I will give this to my mom. And yes, I always share my blessing to my mom because she's like my sister to me. Wala naman akong kapatid. So, i-share ko lahat ng blessing ko sa mom ko. And yes, syempre, if may extra ako, sinishare ko sa mga relatives sa Philippines. And super ganda nito, guys. She will love this. She's a collector of perfume, but since I like this perfume so much, I will keep the full size and just give her the pen. Pero I know she will appreciate this. It's the thought that counts. So, ang ganda, guys. Nagpo-focus ba? So, pipindutin mo siguro dito yon, tas lalabas yung pabango dyan. Sobrang ganda ng details. So, yes, this is 2.5 ml. Sobrang ganda. And last but not the least in the box is my Black Opium YSL Eau de Perfume 50 ml. The same size as my Marc Jacobs. Ito yung box niya. And I'm excited, guys. Sobrang excited ko. So, thank you, Influencer and YSL, for sending me this. I will review them soon. So, yeah. Thank you. Oh, super excited. Super happy. Super surprised din dito sa brand na to. I met them during Ipsy and I met them during BeautyCon and I keep giving them my business card, but sobra kasing dami rin ng influencer na ngayon medyo mahirap na mapansin ka ng brands. And when I saw this at my mail, I was like, oh my god, I'm in with their PR, guys. And this is from the brand Pop Beauty. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Pop Beauty, for trusting me and for sending me your new... Ito yung itsura niya, guys. I'm super happy. And, I've been trying my best with this brand so much, and napansin na rin nila ako, and thank you, thank you, thank you. I met the owner of this. She's super pretty, and ayun. She's still young though. I'm super impressed. So, ayan yung itsura niya. Tapos may mga ganito, ganyan, mga ganyan-ganyan. Ayan. Bago pa ako mag-add ng kalat. So, ito yung tsura niya. Nabuksan ko na kasi siya. Pero, hindi na makapaghintay. So, ayan siya. Kabalot siya sa napakagandang pagka-pink niya. So, binigyan muna nila ako ng mga cards. Ayan. And then, the palette, guys. This is how the palette looks like. Oh, ganda ng kulay. I'm excited with the glitter. Sobrang popular ng glitters nila. This is the Twinkle Texture 3D Eyeshadow Palette. 4 glitter shades plus 4 metallic shades. Mix and match to customize texture and add a personal oomph to your own dimensional glittery creation. And you can visit them at Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, and Snapchat. And their website at popbeauty.com. And their Instagram is pop_beauty. So, you guys can visit them. Super nice. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Pop. Thank you, Pop, for sending me your new collection. Ito naman, it's from the brand Pearlies. Na-meet ko sila din sa Ipsy and then sa BeautyCon, and I gave them my business card as well, and finally they noticed me, and super thankful kasi nung in-email nila ako, they asked me what's my favorite product from them. I told them I like the Blue Lotus na mask, na sample size lang kasi na-try ko nun from Ipsy na bag. And then, nung nag-BeautyCon ako, naka-try din ako nung bago nilang watermelon na sheet mask. So, yun yung sinabi ko. Tapos, tinanong nila kung anong bang shade ko. Tapos, sabi ko, I'm in between light and medium. And yellow undertone. So, ayan. Ito yung box niya, guys. And then, when you open it up, ayan, may pearlies ulit. Tapos, it says here, Christine. Yes, it's handwritten note. Ayan. Oh, gusto ko to. I hope you love the products. I know you like the watermelon sheet mask, so I thought you would like the new Aqua Balm too. Thanks. At Perlis, Jennifer Yen plus Team Perlis has hashtag Perlis Perfect. Thank you guys. Thank you. You guys are super sweet. And I saw her too at the BeautyCon. Nag-talk siya sa stage. I'm really proud of you. Her name is Jennifer Yen, creator and founder. And hiningal ako. So, ito yung sinasabi kong sheet mask, guys, na gustong-gusto ko. This is the Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask, Beauty Through Asian Wisdom. It comes with the pack of 6. Ayan. And then, they sent me a Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm, lightweight, oil-free gel cream, refreshes and moisturize. Oily to combination. Then, this is the reason why they asked me for my shade, because they sent me their Perlis BB Tinted Moist Cream, SPF 30 in the shade medium. And they sent me this, ito na, full size, Perlis Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup tones, plus suits sulfate-free all skin type. And last but not the least is their Daily Lip Nourisher with mango and shea butter. Hydrates plus nourishes, heals, and softens petroleum-free all skin type. And then, ayan na siya. So, thank you guys. Thank you, Perlis, for sending me your products for me to try. Sobrang generous nyo. Kasi sinabi ko lang talaga na favorite ko lang to talaga. Tapos yung Blue Lotus na mask na natry ko. Tapos sinendan nyo ako ng madami. Sobrang thank you guys. And thank you Miss Jennifer Yen. I hope to see you again next event or next BeautyCon or IPSI. And then this package, I will just gonna include it here in my haul because I ordered this from my friend. Remember, I did resell the Anklutz brush, yung beginner set, like way back March yata yun. And then, hindi ako nag-resell this time ng Anklutz na Eye Essential. So, nung sinabi niya sa akin may available pa siya, sabi ko, okay, I'm gonna order from you and I will pay kung ano yung price na talagang inilalaan niya dito sa States, hindi yung price at Manila. Kasi syempre, diba, ginastasan niya yun para makapunta dito tapos i-resell. So, ayun. But then, she gave me a discount and free shipping. So, if you guys are interested of buying, I'm not really sure right now if this video is ma-up, kung meron pa siya available. But, yes, if you guys are interested, I will put her link down in the description box so you can message her and ask her if it's still available. So, I ordered this Anklutz Eye Essential ba ang tawag dito? And, I love supporting Ate Anklutz. I know, hindi niya man mapansin. Support pa din tayo, guys. And I'm really, really proud of her. So, yes, I'm excited to try and review this product if it's really, really good and worth it. Kasi the reason why ayoko rin yatang itry ito first, yung mga hair nito, it's from goat. And ayoko kasi talagang gumagamit ng mga bagay as much as possible ng mga galing sa animal kasi it's a cruelty-free chorba. Pero sabi naman nila hindi nasaktan ang mga goat. So, go na ako dyan, okay? So, I trust them, so okay. She super nice. Talaga. Promise na promise. Walang ekla-ekla. Sobrang generous niya. Sinishare niya lagi yung blessing niya. And, She gave me an extra contact lenses. Ayan siya. And sobrang bait. This is in the shade or color gray. And siguro kamukha niyang nasa mata ko. And super thank you, Ate Coco, for being a friend and for being an ate. And every time that I message you, nagre-reply ka sa akin. Hindi mo ko ini-ignore. You're always there. And sana, pag may problema ka, don't hesitate to message me kasi I will be here too if you need help or if you need a friend to listen to you and all that. So yes, yun lang guys. Thank you again for watching. I hope you guys like this kind of video, and if you do, please kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below so we stay connected. And as always, see you on my next video. Bye!